Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so the total energy of a system can be equal to 1/2 Ka squared in this case, okay? K is the spring constant, A is the amplitude. So, therefore, let's try to determine the total energy of a system. So we know spring constant is equal to 2.5 times 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter, and the amplitude is 0.030 meter. So therefore, we have 1/2 times 2.5. Oops. Times 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter, and then times 0.030 meter squared. And this will give us the total energy of the system is about 11.25 Joule. And the next question was asking us the maximum speed. Well, that maximum speed is equal to A omega. Omega is angular frequency. And omega can be also equal to square root K over M, which is square root spring constant over the mass. So we know the mass of the object is 1.4 kilograms. So therefore, we can determine the maximum speed is equal to 0.030 meter times square root 2.5 times 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter over 1.4 kilograms. And this will give us the maximum speed is about 4.0 meter per second. Well, so question C, so if the energy was triple, so we have 3U is equal to 1/2 K2 square, Ka2 square. So A2 is the new amplitude, which is the one we're looking for. And we also know that if we triple the energy, this can be equal to 3 times the original energy, which is 3 times 1/2 Ka squared. And as you can tell, 1/2 here can be cancelled out, K here can be cancelled out. So therefore we have A2 squared is equal to 3A squared. So therefore A2 is equal to square root 3A. And we know the amplitude is 0.030. So therefore the new amplitude is equal to square root 3 times 0.030 meter. And this will give us the new amplitude is about 0.052 meter. So therefore the new maximum speed should be equal to the new amplitude times the angular frequency. Or you can say the new amplitude times the square root K over M here. So therefore let's determine the new maximum speed. So the new maximum speed, Vmax2 here, should be equal to 0.052 meter times square root 2.5 times 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter over the mass, which is well, let me see what's the mass again, 1.4 kilograms. Which is equal to 6.95 meter per second. And for the last question, well, the assumption I made is that the maximum kinetic energy is equal to the total energy of a system. So if the assumptions were not reasonable, the maximum speed will be decreased, okay? Since some potential energy will be subtracted from the total energy of the system, okay? So these are my answers for this question.